Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites, the right Pojavlauncher build, and a compatible Java runtime. Once done, grant storage permissions so you can access files. Now open a file manager and navigate to the Pojavlauncher logs directory. Find Log.txt. You do this early because having the file ready lets you inspect errors immediately. Make sure file timestamps match your failing launch attempt so you read the latest entries rather than an old log. You now read the log top to bottom, focusing on the first error or exception because the root cause often appears early. Once found, correlate that message with your JVM args, mods, or asset loading paths listed nearby. Make targeted edits. Remove the mod mentioned, fix a corrupt resource, or correct the Java executable path. Also adjust memory flags like XMX to a stable value. Doing this prevents cascade failures and helps the launcher initialize cleanly. You finalize by restarting Pojavlauncher and reproducing the issue, then open the updated log.txt to confirm the error is gone. If problems persist, enable verbose logging to capture more context and compare the new file to the original to see what changed. Make sure to reset the launcher profile or clear app data as a last resort step. This removes bad cached states. If you still hit errors, return to the log and focus on the first new error.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.